Goa continues to be drenched under heavy rain, with forecasts warning of more intense showers and gusty winds in the days ahead. A well marked low pressure system near the Konkan coast is likely to intensify into a depression, triggering widespread rainfall across the state. The India Meteorological Department has sounded red alerts for North and South Goa until the 25th. Here's more in this detailed weather report. Heavy to very heavy rain lashed most parts of Goa over the past 24 hours. Ponda received the highest rainfall at 162 mm, followed by Darbandora and Margao at over 120 mm. Panaji, Mapusa and Valpoi also saw significant rainfall above 60 mm. According to the Meteorological Center in Panaji, a low-pressure system persists over the east-central Arabian Sea off the South Konkan coast. This system is expected to intensify into a depression in the next 24 hours, bringing more rainfall and rough weather to coastal regions. The IMD has predicted extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places in both North and South Goa from May 23rd to May 25th. Wind speeds are expected to reach 60-70 km per hour, especially during thunderstorms. Humidity levels remain very high, touching 95% in Panaji and 92% in Mormugao, while maximum temperatures have dipped due to cloud cover, recorded at 30.4 degrees Celsius and 29.8 degrees Celsius respectively. The impact on daily life could be significant. The IMD has warned of waterlogging in low-lying areas, traffic congestion, uprooting of trees, short-term power outages, and disruption to municipal services. In hilly regions, there's also a risk of landslides and mudslides. Fishermen have been advised not to venture into the sea till May 27th, with squally conditions prevailing along the Maharashtra-Goa coast. Red alert issued for 24th, the 25th of May. Low pressure off Konkan coast. Rain to intensify, warns IMD. Depression likely in 24 hours, extremely heavy rain forecast for Goa. Fishermen warned against venturing out to sea. Maximum and minimum temperature Saturday, 28 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Goa's monsoon seems to be arriving early and fiercely. The IMD urges all residents to stay updated, take necessary precautions, and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Bureau Report Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.